So today we will talk about using technology tool productively. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other technologies are key parts for what has been called an informational technology paradox, in which information tools can waste as much time as they save. Social media are particularly source of concern. While they offer great opportunities for connecting with customers and other stakeholders, the potential for distraction can waste significant amount of employees' time. Inappropriate web use not only distract employee from work responsibility, it can leave employee open to lawsuits for sexual harassment if inappropriate images are displayed in or transmitted around the company. Social media have created another set of managerial challenge given a risk that employees blogs or social networking pages can expose confidential information or damage the firm reputation in the marketplace. With all these technologies, the best solution lies in developing clear policy that are enforced evenly for all employees. Managers need to guide their employees in the productive use of information tools because the speed and simplicity of these tools are among their greatest weakness. The flood of messages from an expanding array of digital sources can significantly affect employees' ability to focus on their work. In one study, workers exposed to a constant barrage of email, instant message, and phone call experience an average 10-point drop in their functioning intelligence quotient. In addition to using your tool appropriately, knowing how to use them efficiently can make a big difference in your productivity. You don't have to become an expert in most of the cases, but you need to be familiar with the basic feature and function of the tools you are expected to use in the job. As a manager, you also need to ensure that your employee have a sufficient training to productively apply the tools you expected them to use. It means digital, social, and mobile. Today's communication environment, it's fun game, effective business communication. The fact is that millions of the people spend billions of hours playing games on their mobile device is not lost. Companies looking for the way to enhance communication with the employees or customers, whether they feature skill, chance, or compelling storyline. Successful game try to engage their intellectually and emotionally, just as successful business communicator try to do. Gamification is an addition of gaming playing aspect to the activity or a process with a goal of increasing user engagement, and its natural fit for social media and mobile devices. Foursquare's check-in competition, in which a person who check in using Foursquare the most of the time during a certain time window is crowned the mayor of that location, where an early use of gamification. Foursquare wasn't invented as the way for people to become an imaginary mayors of the place where they shop or eat. Of course, it is an advertising platform that relies on their user activity, user generated content, and the game element encourages people to use app more frequently. Foursquare is a simple example of gamification, but other companies are pushing the concept in new way to engage, motivate employee and other stakeholders. For example, Bunchball's Nitro software applies gamification concept to number of business communication platform. On a customer service system, the software reward employee for increasing their productivity, meeting their service commitments to a customer, and sharing knowledge with their colleagues. On several collaboration and brainstorming system, and gamification encourages people to make more connection, share idea, and boost their influence within a community. Employee orientation system can use game concept to help new hire learn their way to ground the organization. So guarding against informational overload is most important thing in the current era. We need to utilize the technologies very efficient way, because it technology is a boon also and it's a bane as well. So As a manager, you need to understand, you give an employee a particular information as to how to stick to the work, not to the mobile. More involvement in mobile and wasting lots of time in office is not the correct way of dealing work in the office environment. So as a manager, you need to train the employee in such a way that if your employee is doing such kind of stuff, you need to stop it and you indulge them in a more productive way, and the work related to office work, not in the social media. If they are using it in the wrong way, you need to keep checking their employees that what they are doing, or they are wasting your time, or they are utilizing the time in a particular work. And till that time, all the best for you and enjoy your time. Till then, bye bye, tata.